Now we are discussing NCERT book exercise page 103. Okay, question number 1. When will we say a body is in uniform acceleration and body is moving with non-uniform acceleration? Okay, so this question, are you given notes from your school? In physics? Okay. Okay. So uniform acceleration, when velocity of body changes by equal amounts. When velocity of a body changes by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. Okay, so this is a case of uniform acceleration, or this is the definition. Then it is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. Okay, so this is the definition of uniform acceleration. When velocity of a body changes by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform acceleration,
when velocity of a body does not changes by equal amount in equal
intervals of time. Unequal amount in equal intervals of time. Okay, then it is said to be non-uniform acceleration. Okay, is it clear? Uniform, non-uniform acceleration. Okay. I'll give you one example actually. If suppose इसी क्वेश्चन को और explain, I am giving more explanation. Suppose an example is there. Okay, I am making a table. Okay, velocity of A in kilometers per hour, velocity of B in kilometers per hour, and velocity of C in kilometers per hour. Okay, these are three, ABC are three trains. Okay, at different times, 8 a.m., 8:15 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 8:45 a.m. and 9 a.m. Okay, suppose velocity of A is 36 kilometers per hour, 36, 36, 36 and 36. Velocity of B is 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Velocity of C is 36, 40, 45, 52 and 60. ठीक है, ये क्या दे रखी है, इनकी वेलोसिटीज दे रखी है इन किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ओके, सो velocity of train A is constant. Velocity of train A is constant, or we can say that it is moving with uniform velocity. एक ही velocity है पूरे टाइम, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी. ओके, अब velocity of train B is increasing by 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, 6 kilometers per hour, 6 kilometers per hour in every 15 minutes. हर 15 minutes के बाद ये 6 kilometers per hour से increase हो रही है. ओके, तो इसको बोलते हैं यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन. एक्सीलरेशन जो है वो यूनिफॉर्म है. एक्सीलरेशन इज एक्चुअली चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, और चेंज इन वेलोसिटी यहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्म है. ठीक है, चेंज कितना हो रहा है, 6 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ केस इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन. ओके, इन थर्ड केस देयर इज चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, बट चेंज इज नॉट यूनिफॉर्म. कभी 4 का हो रहा है, कभी 5 का हो रहा है, कभी 7 का हो रहा है, कभी 8 का हो रहा है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वेरिएबल और नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन. Acceleration is there, but it is not uniform. So variable or non-uniform. Clear है तीनों का difference? Okay. This is uniform velocity. This is uniform acceleration. Okay. Uniform acceleration means change in velocity uniform है. Change in velocity एक जैसी ही है. Okay. Change जो हो रहा है वो same है. Okay. Now next question. Question 2. A bus decreases its speed from 80 kilometers per hour to 60 kilometers per hour in 5 seconds. Okay. Find the acceleration of the bus. Okay. So actually whenever like अगर seconds दिया है और जो velocity दी है वो किलोमीटर पर आवर में दी है तो first step should be converting them to meter per second. U is initial velocity. It is 80 kilometers per hour. 80 kilometers per hour को मीटर पर सेकंड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? डू यू नो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर्स पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकंड? Multiply by 1000 and divide by 60 into 60. Always remember, kilometer per hour when converted to meter per second, we have to multiply by 1000 upon 60 into 60. Okay. When meter per second is converted to kilometer per hour, okay, multiply by 60 into 60 upon 1000. ठीक है, तो हम किसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है. अगर किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और 60 into 60 से डिवाइड करते हैं. टेल मी व्हाट दिस नंबर इज. ओके, देन फाइनल वेलोसिटी is 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, that is 60 into 1000 by 60 into 60. Okay, so this also find these two numbers. Time is, अब जो नंबर आएगा वो मीटर पर सेकेंड में आएगा. ठीक है, टाइम इज 5 seconds. ओके, ये तो जनरल रूल है. ओके, यू कैन यूज इन एनी न्यूमेरिकल. सो व्हेन यू विल डू दिस कैलकुलेशन, करके बताओ मुझे इस कैलकुलेशन का क्या रिजल्ट है. 80 into 1000 divide by 60 into 60.
What we have to divide?
स्क्रीन पे देखो क्या लिखा है.
60 into 60 upon 100 upon
80
1000.
80 into 1000 divide by 60 into 60.
Ma'am, 22.72.
22.22. Okay, and what about final velocity? It is 16.66. Okay, now acceleration is v minus u by t. Okay, final velocity is 16.66, initial velocity 22.22 upon time is 5 seconds. Okay, so this is minus of 5.56 divide by 5, that is equal to minus of 1.11 meter per second square. This is the answer. Okay, calculations I am doing and writing, it doesn't mean that कि हमेशा के लिए calculations हो गई है. You have to solve it at home after class and check whether this all numbers are coming or not. Okay, after finishing this chapter there will be test of this chapter. Okay, is it clear this question? Clear
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
ठीक है. Next question, question 3. Yes, Manav, tell me what is given in the question.
A train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration.
तो क्या दिया है? Train
Means
starting from railway station. तो इसकी initial velocity can be taken as 0. Okay.
yes.
Attains, moving with uniform acceleration, attains a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. So final velocity is 40 kilometers per hour. Okay. Time is 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
We have to convert them to standard units. Kilometer per hour should be converted to meter per second. So what should I multiply? Yes, Laksh.
Ma'am,
क्या multiply करेंगे?
40 into 10
40 into
thousand.
divide by 60 into 60.
Yes, ma'am.
ये कैलकुलेशन करके बताओ क्या नंबर आ रहा है?
ma'am 11.11.
10 minutes when converted to seconds.
10 minutes converted to seconds, ma'am.
सेकेंड्स ही है, स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स मीटर पर सेकेंड है. वेलोसिटी की टाइम की सेकेंड्स. 10 मिनट्स को सेकेंड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे?
Ma'am 60.
600 seconds.
10 into 60,
600.
that is equal to 600 seconds. Now we have to find acceleration. Acceleration is v minus u by t, that is equal to 11.11 minus 0 by 600.
Zero.
Okay, so tell me what is this number? इसको ऐसे कर सकते हो 11.11 डिवाइड बाय 6 इंटू 100, और इस 100 को जब ऊपर लाएंगे तो इसको 10 टू द पावर -2 लिख सकते हो. 11.11 डिवाइड बाय 6 क्या होगा? डिवाइड करके बताओ मुझे. क्या है? 11.11 divided by 6 will be what? 6 ones are 6, 5, decimal point here 51, 6 8s are 48, 31, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, sorry. Okay, so it is 1.85 into 10 to the power minus 2. What is unit of acceleration? What is unit of acceleration?
Meter per second.
Square.
Meter per square.
Okay, so this way you have to solve these two questions. What is the meaning? One question I have to ask. यहाँ पे ये जो माइनस साइन है इसके क्या मतलब है? What does
Ma'am,
this?
retardation.
This is retardation. Good. Okay, so this shows that negative acceleration, that is retardation. Retardation कब होता है? जब final
Negative
velocity is
acceleration.
less than initial velocity. Final velocity is less than initial velocity, then there will be retardation. Okay, till here is it clear?